wanted to run away with you.
Hello everyone, this is Nikhil Verma. You're watching MedTalks India, and once again I am in my kitchen with healthy breakfast diet, protein rich diet for muscle gain. So सबने बोला था मुझे, मैंने पूछा था Instagram पेज पे MedTalks India, अगर आपने फॉलो नहीं किया तो प्लीज गो एंड फॉलो. तो वहां पे मैंने पूछा तो वहां पे सबने बोला या क्रिएटेड फॉर अस. सो यहाँ पे आज मैं 50 ग्राम्स ऑफ प्रोटीन हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हमें सर्व करेगा और मैं बताऊंगा कि वो कैसे बनानी है. सो लेट्स गो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम. सो हियर वी गो विद ऑल आवर इंग्रेडिएंट्स. मैं क्या यूज कर रहा हूँ, एक्चुअली मैं 2 लोगों के लिए बना रहा हूँ, इसलिए अगर आप अपने लिए बना रहे हो, एक के लिए बना रहे हो, तो जितनी भी क्वांटिटी है उसका हाफ कर दो. सो व्हाट वी आर हैविंग फॉर द ब्रेकफास्ट इज 8 eggs and 2 bananas, 1 pear, peanut butter, raisins, and here we have dates and oats. I am having 100 grams, so you take 50 grams for one. Milk and the most important, protein powder. So let's go and make our meal. So very firstly हमें अब सबसे पहले अपने एग्स जो हैं उनको बॉईल करना है. सो मैंने यहाँ पे रख दिया है, अप्रॉक्स 20 to 25 मिनट्स लगेंगे इनको. एंड इफ यू वांट टू हैव हाफ बॉइल देन यू कैन टर्न ऑफ योर स्टोव विद इन 15 मिनट्स. सो लेट्स डू अदर थिंग्स. Here we are ready with our protein shake, and now I will tell you how much protein is there in our diet. I told you it's 50 grams, so I will tell you how it is 50 grams. So guys, I'm telling you how our protein shake and our total diet is having 50 grams of protein. क्योंकि हमारे protein shake में 39 grams of protein. I will tell you how. My protein claims that it is giving 28 grams of protein in 1 scoop, so I added 2 because I'm preparing for 2 persons, so I will count for 1 only. So 28 का मैं 25 काउंट कर रहा हूँ because approx ले लेते हैं, कम ही लेते हैं. 25 ये हो गया. Let me show you, it's 28 gram claiming. And then I added peanut butter. So here we have written, hope you can see it. Here it is 8 grams. I don't know if it's visible or not, but it is 8 grams. 8 grams per serving. You can check it out. So 25 plus 8, and I have added this Quaker oats. So these are claiming per 100 gram 11.8. That is approx 12. So I am taking 6. So 6 plus 8 plus 25 is equal to 39. So we are having 39 grams of protein in our protein shake only. So what else we are preparing is 8 eggs. So 1 egg white contains 2.5 to 3 gram of proteins, and with yellow part it is around 4.25 to 5. So I am taking it 2.5 to 3. So we are preparing 8 eggs, but for single person it is 4. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So 39 plus 12 is exceeding 50 grams. So this is how we are preparing our healthy 50 grams protein shake plus eggs meal for breakfast. So we are prepared with our diet. We are having egg whites, our protein shake, and some fruits. So this is all about the diet, because it is containing 39 grams of protein, this is containing 12 grams of protein, and this is additional. So you can prepare it. This is very easy for students. Hope you all guys like it.
I wanted to run away with you.
Thank you so much guys for watching me, and I hope कि आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी, because this is really important for gym going persons who want to gain muscles and want to have high protein, right? But उनको student हैं and costly लगती है, so I have protein. You can also buy protein, and this will really help you to, you know, get bigger muscles. So thank you so much for watching, and I have MedTalks India page on Instagram जहाँ पे मैं post कर रहा हूँ. Recently I'm posting various different, you know, health tips and all. So you must go and follow that and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching me. Stay happy, stay safe. Goodbye.
I wanted to run away